20 Minutes Setswana presents Hello Abuti, say hello to the children. Oh, you're singing the body song. Are you ready to learn the body song with us kids? First of all, what is the word for head in Sesotho? That's right, it's hloho. And what is the word for arm in Sesotho? Very good, it's sepaka. Now what is the word for leg in Sesotho? That's good, it's klafu. Are you ready to sing along? That sounds great. Now, what is the word for hand in Sesotho? That's right, it's seatla. And what is the word for shoulder in Sesotho? That's right, it's lehetla. Now, what is the word for foot in Sesotho? Very good, it's leoto. Are you ready to sing along? Let's go. Can you tell me what the word is for eye in Sesotho? That's right, it's leihlo. And what is the word for ear in Sesotho? Very good, it's tsebe. Now what is the word for mouth in Sesotho? That's right, it's molomo. Are you ready to sing along? Let's go. Okay, stop for a second. Let me explain. Did you notice that one eye is leihlo, but the plural is mahlo? And one ear is tsebe, but more than one ear is ditsebe. And now you know the body song. Goodbye Abuti, goodbye kids. See you next time.
Bye.